and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, 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 Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine your light, show your might. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City. Shine your light. Sing him no ye. Teach you say call you no ye. He walk as a mo.
I don't like this one about this food. Where the house is? Charlie, like police left was one. But you take your time. Leave a company. We are not saying this family.
Yeah, Kwame. Yeah. Shall we wait? Yeah. Shall we do your junction? Will they come your day, Charlie? Yeah, the junction, yeah. Yeah, but we come soon. Where me quicker? Yeah. Right. Down. Go calm down. 5,000 on your left.
Okay. Keep it now. Saka! How about you?
Where's looking fresh? Boy, when you make fresh like that,
Charlie, this is alright there, heavy power.
the way we the cardio, yeah.
She say we track you down.
Track you down. Hey, Charlie, buy your boy. Wow,
You know,
couple.
yeah. See you. But your boy inside.
No, he's traveled. Gone to Taiwan to follow up on some treatment and stuff.
What? So you want to tell me say you alone did this house?
You not see them one. Plus one house help.
Suddenly,
Try to make you guys come back. Where you see the view and
Charlie, your bro be hard though. We will the waste when the time goes quick.
do you know how hard and long he has to work to build the factory? And do you know he stopped school after us?
Yeah. We spread out large like that. Hey, Charlie, some people be wild.
I believe he would have moved faster and grown bigger if he had had more formal education. You understand? In any case, he has read more than some of our lectures.
Oh, oh Charlie. It shows if they hear the word.
Oh, it be true, it be true. See, if I open in personal library show you, you go marvel. Oh, he has read on so many subjects. Charlie, what could download things?
No, we are. Check this view there, wow, though. But I go swim if I will go.
You go do it.
I go swim.
Charlie, don't do and drown for here.
Oh, me the swim, oh.
You know, swim.
I the swim, but
You
butterfly
think
the no
say
skills so I do.
Ninka bagbe wo bagbo.
You think say the and oh they do be
Oh, now I'm walking, and now I'm walking in the one. This one be swimming. You go see more skills for here. Share.
Yeah, butterfly.
I bet you.
Sun City. The light licks the park, and we see clearly. 'Cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly.
So, Hakema.
Fear, man. With all your tune, you're afraid of something.
Look, security gives way to conspiracy.
Hey, don't come and confuse me with your being English. And what are you doing here? Everybody has gone home.
What are you also doing?
Selling.
Selling indeed. Walking up and down this campus, flogging this. Anyway, how much do you make in a day?
It depends. Sometimes 25,000, sometimes 30.
And for 30,000 CDs, you are prepared to walk up and down this place, putting yourself constantly at risk.
What are you saying?
I advise you to find yourself a more fulfilling, long-lasting, and dignified way of earning a living.
Words. Words. The alcohol you are known for. You think Rome was built in a day? I am saving to get into dressmaking. Instead of getting a man to pay for me like lots of the girls do.
Anyway, you have a point. Because, of course, it is better to be independent in the ghetto than to be a slave in the palace. Anyway, that's true. Auntie Anani, Barakana man on nobody. Oh, makes some sense there.
I just love these walks. They are so refreshing.
Get to the splendid macroclimate on campus.
Mommy, let's race to the next pool.
Really? You think you've got the legs for a girl?
That's my girl. Way to go, my girl.
So, what's the price?
A bowl of ice cream.
A bowl of ice cream. Okay. That's fair.
All right, take it, come over. Give me the towel. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? And go! Go, my girl, go, go, go! Oh! Oh, no! Lovely. Oh, my girls. Jonathan Jebley.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Have you seen Mr. Cote, please?
No, not this weekend. Emifa, you know Jonathan?
Papa Einstein,
Yes,
right?
ma'am. At your service, madam.
Oh, a natural comic, eh?
I remember vivid scenes from the barbecue.
Oh, a minor infraction, ma'am, induced by alcohol. Oh, Miss Agri, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Oh, well, the cognitive and psychomotor are working in perfect harmony. It's only with the affective where, work has to be done,
Daddy, what's the meaning of that?
He means that he's physically and mentally sound, but he's learning to balance the emotions.
Don't you confuse my girl now. Told you.
So, Jonathan,
Yes,
what
sir.
are you doing on campus?
I'm conducting research. I'll be on campus the whole of the holidays.
Looking into what?
I'm working into biofuels. I'm just researching biofuels.
Interesting.
Yes, sir.
And kudos.
Yes, sir, thank you.
Look, I have to catch those two quickly, else I'll be in trouble.
Yes, sir.
But I'm interested to hear more about your
Okay, sir.
project.
Okay, sir.
Why don't you pass by tonight? I'll let Madam reserve a dinner space for you.
Oh, yes, sir. It's interesting proposition, sir. I really, really accept with humility, sir.
Einstein.
Yes, sir. Thank you. The vulture is a very patient animal. But when it comes to cleaning, it does a thorough job.
What happened? Charlie brother, so that be him. This vacation between here and the factory, that be my bank. You know, that's all.
Oh, you what? Oh, you what?
Alright, Jack. Not bad. I'm sure you met these guys.
Yes, Shaka and Mao.
I was just about to see them off here. Okay. So you step right in and I'll be with you, okay?
Alright. Okay, guys. I'll see you.
Alright.
Flip, 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 flip. Yeah, what's up?
Black Mamba. So your small thing with that?
Hey, make you no jump into any hasty conclusions.
But you, what be that? Charlie, if trouble come, me, I know the inside.
Trouble
just count
no
me out.
come. Trouble no
Moreover, Charlie, me, you know, say I trail 2 papers. Once I for learn. I had to go to the library with Charlie.
Charlie, about the woman, oh, Charlie. Whosoever did get a paid, he shall fall in
come on
it.
for them, nothing go out there.
Fall in it. Chinese guys, you're right, there be power.
Charlie, bring my motorbike sense.
Charlie, it's more right now. Cool, 100 miles per hour. This one, if I got people,
If you don't say Charlie, this thing is some sort of
Charlie, another time, right?
Yes, I am. Charlie. See.
Charlie,
But the woman find
You know, see.
you know if you take care of the car.
Massage. Let me go. Hey, what did you do for me, sir?
Charlie, can you afford to buy it?
It's because I was coming to see you. How are you?
Not bad. How about you two?
Okay. So, tell me, what work did you say your brother does?
He's an entrepreneur, like I said, and does import and export, run factory, yeah, basically.
But there's really something I want to ask you.
Go ahead, feel free.
Are you sure you don't have any other girl?
Sweetie, what do you want me to do?
I don't share.
Neither do I.
Not so fast. I hear you guys can really talk.
Says who?
It's all over the place. I mean, you and that Percy guy.
Why do you always mention Percy?
Do I?
Yes. It's either Percy this or Percy that. Ever since I started talking to you seriously. Is there any problem?
Problem? What problem will I have with an arrogant guy like him? No, I don't have any problem with him.
He is my friend.
He may be your friend, but he's not really a friend of mine.
Excuse me. Hello? Hello?
Hey, you the dumb Bessie! Brothers. Flip flop.
Hey, what's up, bro? Nice one. Good things. Hey, Charlie. Maybe you have your digital camera. Get me all them best and nice shots, eh? You know what I mean? Hey, brothers. Who, me? Oh, nothing. When I'm entertaining a friend. Yeah. Okay. 3 weeks? Oh. Okay. Nice one. Hey, Charlie, give me your number here. So say, you do, I go call you, okay? Okay. Yeah. 001. 513. Yeah. 678. 6, 7, 599. Okay. Okay, bro. Yeah. So you take care of yourself, okay? And be good. Yes, I am. Okay, Charlie. Safe. All right. Bye. What an uncanny coincidence.
Why? Who was that?
That was Percy.
Percy.
He's storing the States, you know. Oh, excuse me. A moment.
Sure. I thought I heard somebody knocking at the door.
Someone outside? Excuse me.
I see you right. Papa Einstein. No wonder. And what is your business in these parts during holidays?
If you say you alone, you have sense. Eh? Look, some of us, we say we just like chillo. Like, we have time to learn like you. A plan.
Then why don't you sit down? In any case, you've not answered the substantive question. What are you doing here?
I'm heading to the library. We say, Charlie, I expect some tutorials. We have to learn for the next semester.
What a waste of time. Look, instead of learning and passing with ease, you prefer to fool around than prepare for a receipt.
Charlie, watch the way you talk. You think say all of us Fifi be hermits like you?
Not surprising. Most great men have been considered queer by their contemporaries. You know, Buddha, Jesus Christ, Isaac Newton, Nkrumah.
Joke.
Empty barrels. What?
There's nobody outside.
Oh, really? Sorry. I thought I overheard somebody.
We are still here.
I thought, I think I saw a swimming pool somewhere.
Sure. You want to take a swim?
I don't have a question here, but if you can take me honest. All right.
Seven on the dot. A mark of a focused individual.
Thank you very much, sir.
Have a seat.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello, Jonathan.
Pleasant evening, ma'am.
How are you doing?
Fine, thank you, ma'am.
You're very welcome.
Thank you.
Beautiful night, isn't
Beautiful
it?
night. It is beautiful.
Yofi, would you like me to get you guys some drink first?
So a mini star will do nicely on a pleasant night like this.
2 ministers.
2 ministers coming right up.
Now, you were talking about your biofuel project earlier on.
Yes, sir.
Have you read some literature on the German and the Malaysian experience? You know, the Germans have done a lot of work in this area.
You seem to be quite well read, so I'm so fascinated.
No, not actually. I did a job for the UN some time ago. The question was to assess the viability of biofuel as an alternative to fuel source.
There you are.
Thank you so much.
Dinner will be ready in 2 minutes.
To industry.
Yes, sir, to industry.
So, Jonathan, what is the crux of your research?
Twofold, sir. Firstly, to actually see how to increase the volatility of biofuels, and secondly, to actually patent a blueprint for local productions.
That's a rather ambitious undertaking.
Indeed, sir.
I could give you some few tips in a way.
That would be most welcome, sir. Most welcome, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Most welcome.
Dinner is served.
Well, then I guess we have to take our discussion to the dinner table.
Yes, sir. You know, all the things you see were once